Hi everyone, my name is Diana and I am a certified insurance agent with Covered California, and today I will show you how you can access your Covered California account if you already have an active case and coverage. So if you had Medi-Cal in the past or applied for health insurance with the help of an agent or certified entity, then you already have an active case and you can access it. Creating an online account is easy, and this will allow you to view your application online and update your account information. So let's go to Covered California first. The website is CoveredCa.com, and I will show you the steps to create an online account for existing members. Go at the top of the screen. There is an account sign in tab, so click on that. And then it will ask you for username and password, but you don't have it yet. So make sure you click on create an account. So let's click on create an account. And then you can fill in the first, last name, date of birth. You can skip the SSN number. And then it will ask you if you have access code to link to an existing case. So you click yes. And then you enter your access code. Now, this is very important. Make sure you click yes button when answering this question, because otherwise you will duplicate account. Another thing I want to mention is that the access code is case sensitive, so make sure to enter it exactly as it's given to you. So again, if you previously applied for coverage with an agent or service center representative, you will need this code to connect your coverage to this new online account. And if you don't have it, you can call the service center at 1-800-300-1506 to request your access code, or you can contact your insurance agent and request it from the agent. So once you have it, go ahead and enter the code here, and then make sure you select your preference, how you would like to keep in touch with Covered California, either email, phone, or mail. And then create a username and password. Now, username, that's a bit tricky. The whole words are not allowed in your password. So when creating your password, it is recommended to alternate a letter, a number, and a special character as shown. So you definitely make sure that you comply with this request, otherwise the system won't accept your username and password. And then the same requirements go for password. Okay, so make sure to read this, and sometimes it could get a little bit frustrating, but again, if you follow the directions, the instructions, it should be very easy. And make sure to secure your username and password, so next time you need to use it, you can easily retrieve it. And also you would create a PIN and then select the box that you agree to terms and conditions and the privacy notice, and then you click next, and it takes you basically into your account. Well, I hope this was useful to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Again, I'm a certified, Covered California certified insurance agent and can help you with various issues related to health insurance. And in the beginning, I showed you this is my website. It's insurancecenterhelpline.com. This is my contact information at the bottom, so you can definitely reach out to me anytime, and I will be glad to help. Thanks a lot, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, Let's Talk Money.